Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are discuss how to installation Jenkins. Let's go. Go to Jenkins website, download. But today installation Windows 11. How to installation? Here is the Windows version. Click here. Need to some time. Must be you have to installation Java 11. Let's go cmd Java have a 18. Download is completed. Now right button click downloader and next. We're running our administrator. Next, testing our port. Next. Here is a problem because here I have not installation Java version 11 to 17. I have upper grade, but that's why I have to need to 11 to 17. We will download here Java Oracle. Well, already download here 11. You can download this 11 and download Java 11 point or 70 point. I have already download this. Download extra here file. When you Java download, must be your Oracle account. You have not account, then not download this. Here is where download. Must be need a create account. If not account, then you have create a account. I have accounts. You can create your information and then you download this. Where are already weapons, just copy this and paste our programs file and Java, paste here. Need to copy file and edit environment file. Edit environment file, create new Java home, paste this path. Here is the path. Click Java home, paste this path. Okay. Now where again installation. Next background test or port. installation not because this path is not selected. I have again installation this index downloads open next. Java were selected. Next. Test port. Okay. Right click. Just test again. Click here and path change. You can your Java file. Next installation. Need to some time. Finish. Where our local host. (8080) coming. Where find our password here. Copy this link, C drive, and paste this file. Where often you're not fetched. Here is my password. Copy this and paste here. Continue. Installation success flag. Sometimes wait where user. Here is silentsolution. Password you can your password full name silentsolution @g.com. Save and continue. Here is we're already Jenkins. We're log out. Just localhost 8080 enter our password, username and password. Keeping. Thanks for watching.